Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Excel pivot table for data analysis. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Excel pivot tables are a powerful tool for data analysis, and here's how you can use them. Now let's open up Excel, and I have already here readily available template that I will use for this tutorial. Now, select any cell within the table and then click Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Excel will automatically select the table range, but you can change the range if needed. Choose whether to create a new worksheet or place the pivot table in an existing worksheet. In the Pivot Table Fields pane on the right side of the screen, drag and drop the fields you want to include in the pivot table into the rows and column areas. Drag and drop the fields you want to summarize into the values area. By default, Excel will display the sum of the values. You can change this to other calculations such as count or average by clicking the value field and selecting value field settings. You can have here the count, average, max, min, or product. To further refine your pivot table, you can add by filters by dragging fields to the filters or create calculated fields. Use the Design tab to customize your pivot table's layout, style, and formatting. Once your pivot table is complete, you can analyze your data by sorting, filtering, and drilling down into details. So that's it. With these steps, you can use Excel pivot tables to analyze your data and gain insights into your business. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!